Hey everybody, this is McFerrin. Taking a little look at my studio here. I live up in Yakima, Washington, right close to Mount St. Helens. About 30 years ago today exactly, May 18th, 1980, Mount St. Helens blew her top. And I was fortunate enough to grab this jar of ash. It's never been touched before. I sealed it up 30 years ago. I just opened it. And right now I'm going to do my little celebration of the Mount St. Helens eruption. I poured a little bit of this ash into my hands. It's kind of a gray color. I guess it contains over 35 different types of minerals and whatnot. Some steel and other things. So here we go. Happy birthday, Mount St. Helens. It was a little bit louder than that when it blew. If you want to get a hold of me, drop me a line at mcferrinite@msn.com. McFerrinite, msn.com. I may even want to part with this jar someday. You never know. Give me a holler. I've got a bunch of websites you can check out. Google McFerrinite. Goodbye.